Okay, so Monday the 30th of January, we have these thruster and chest to bar intervals in the session. And like it says on the notes here, like it really should come with a bit of a warning that these are gonna, or they should hurt a lot. You need to make them hurt for it to be as effective as we want it to be. And that combo, thrust and chest to bars, is obviously always a very, very tough combo. We've got the 3 different levels of elite, RX, and intermediate. Don't be in such a rush if you're on the RX to elite borderline, being in a rush to choose elite just because you think it's better. It might be better to choose the RX one and go faster. We're looking for speed in this workout, so speed of movement when you're doing the thrusters, speed of movement or big sets when you're doing the chest to bars, and then speed of transitions. The type of workout we're targeting is like the friendly Fran sort of workout here, and training for that. So it's, you know, how long can you move fast and hold on to unbroken sets for? So if you're choosing that elite version, you should easily have, you know, 30 unbroken thrusters at that weight when fresh, probably even more, like in the locker, and then maybe 40 unbroken chest to bars, so that you can move through this as close to unbroken as possible, as fast as possible, aiming for that sub 3 time cap. And then it's going to be about a 1-to-1 or maybe even a little bit more rest time to go again 3 times. And that middle set is going to be the really, really tough one when you know you're fatigued and you know you've still got one more set afterwards. So that middle set is where you've got to really push on. The RX version is very similar, just a little bit less reps. It doesn't look like much on the surface, but taking those reps away over the 3 rounds will make a big difference, especially if the chest to bar start to fatigue and the thrusters start to fatigue. Aiming for closer to unbroken sets or one quick break on those movements. And then you have the intermediate version, which is either the 3 rounds or a 3-minute AMRAP. So seeing if you can hit, you're probably a little bit more limited by skill. So 9 chest to bars is still going to be really tough to hit for 3 rounds, 3 sets in a row. So pacing that as you need to be able to get through those chest to bars on each round. And then after that, you have that squat. So I'll drop another video underneath on the squat to talk about how you're going to build up towards that.